Today, as we know, is the last day of the veneration of the sacred relics of St Xavier. Today is the 4th of January, and today the gates will close at 7 o'clock in the evening. Tomorrow, the 5th of January, there is no veneration, but the procession of the sacred relics will begin at 9:30 in the morning from the Se Cathedral to the Basilica. And after the relics are kept in the Basilica, will be the solemn Mass of the closing, presided by our own Archbishop Felipe Neri Cardinal Ferrao. All are invited for the closing Holy Eucharist. Those of you who would like to participate in the Holy Mass, you can please come and take your seats in the pandal outside the Basilica. Only those who have been chosen to walk in the procession will be allowed inside the cathedral. The others, you can either take your place in the Basilica pandal, and all the telecast, the live telecast of the prayer and also of the procession will be done in the Basilica pandal.